guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please take a second to hit the subscribe button below and the bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So if you're wondering why I've come on here looking like a crazy lady with my hair all out like this, it's because this is part 2 of my Cherry Lola treatment and how I'm going to be styling my hair. If you have not seen part 1, I'll leave a link in the iCards above so you can go ahead and check that video out maybe before this one so we can catch up to see where I am. So I'm going to be styling my hair. I'm going to be trying a wash and go with gel, which I've never been able to do before as my hair has been very frizzy. So now that I've done the Cherry Lola treatment, which is supposed to reduce the frizz, I am going to try and use a gel to see how it turns out. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep watching. So I'm just going to start in a small section here. And we'll see how this turns out. I'm just going to be using the Cream of Nature Strengthen and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. I'll just put that on my hair. I may moisturize the whole section while my hair is still wet. Just make sure that is detangled. And I'm going to use the Can2 curl activator. And then I'm going to add some Eco Styler gel, the olive oil one, just to see if my hair will be defined. Oh my gosh, look at this. My hair has never done this before with gel. Wow, I'm impressed. There is still a little frizz, but that's okay. It's a whole lot better than what it used to be. So I'll take this. I've got some hot water in a bottle. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. My hair has never done this before. So we'll just move on. I'll just add the gel again. Guys, if you have frizzy hair and your hair doesn't do well with gel, my hair never ever done that before with gel. Definitely try out the Cherry Lola treatment. It won't disappoint. Oh my gosh, look at this. I'm just going to make sure my roots are done because it seems like it may be getting a little bit frizzy. Oh my gosh, look at this. Never ever. Okay, I'm just going to keep going and I'll come back and show you what it looks like when I get done with this section. Okay, so I've just finished the first half of my hair, the first quarter of my hair, and look at these curls. I have never had these curls before with a gel. I am so impressed, so impressed. I've got so much product sitting on my shelf that I haven't been able to use because my hair has been so frizzy, but now I'm going to have the opportunity to do it and use the products. So guys, if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to subscribe because there's going to be so much more videos coming. So I'm just going to move on to the rest of my hair and then I'll show you what it looks like. Also guys, my hair is retaining so much water now. Before, my hair would definitely be dried up before I did anything with it. Now it's definitely still wet because it's definitely saturated with water. Okay, this is what my hair is looking like. Super curls going on in there. Not so much frizz. Maybe just a bit in the roots, but that's okay. I'll come back and show you what my hair looks like when it's dry. I'm just going to put some hairpins here just to keep my hair down. Back looks like, so you can see, look at my curls. I've never had this before, you guys. Even when I tried the wet line, it never did this to my hair. Okay, so I will come back and show you what it looks like when it's dry. But if you like what you've seen so far, give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you will be trying the Cherry Lola treatment. And if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to hit the button below and the bell. And I'll see you in my next one, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.